Perl Tutorial Part 117, Regular Expressions, Back References. Back references give us a way to refer to our matches in our regular expressions by number. Let's create a string of numbers. Five, 6, and 7. So, as seen before, if we want to match, we can use the lowercase d, and there's a space between each number. And we print our string. Now we have no way to refer to each item we've matched, so what we can do is use back references. Let's create a substitution. Now to create back references, we must put our matches in parentheses. Okay, so we can refer to these matches by number. So this is match number 1, match number 2, and match number 3, if it is successful, that is. Okay, and we can substitute. We could simply print out our first match preceded by a backslash, our second match, our third match. So let's run this. This simply prints out our string of numbers. But since we can refer to each number with a back reference, we could swap these numbers round. We have 7, 6, 5. Okay, so to refer to our matches with back references inside the block itself, we use the number preceded by a backslash. If we want to work with our numbers separately outside the block, let's say add them all together. So let's say create a variable called sum equals. Now if we want to work with our back references outside the regular expression block itself, we use the number preceded by a $sign. So that's our first match, number 5. And so let's add that to our second match and add that to our third match. And let's run this. And we have our 3 numbers added together to create the sum of 18. Okay, so now to a similar example using some words. Okay, so to match our words, first of all, because we're going to be using back references, we need some parenthesis, and there's a space between each word. Okay, so let's match, say, any character 0 or more times non-greedily, and the word ends in a Y. And let's again reorder using back references. Let's run this. Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. I could then print my back references out outside the code. Okay, so in both these examples we match each item in the string and substitute the first match for the third and the third match for the first. Kind of gives us a handle on each match. Here's an example where the back reference really does need to be used in the same expression. Say if we have some HTML